now like to begin our Q&A session. We have Anurita, Ragnam and Varun in front of you. If you have any questions, please raise your hands. The mic will be passed to you, and don't forget to introduce yourself.
It obviously feels really, really good, but honestly, this film was not only made with that idea कि film को 100 crores करना चाहिए. The idea behind this film was to push dance, and that's what's happened. There have been so many people, so many dancers from so many families. Parents come up to me and tell me that oh हमारे बच्चों को नाचना था, but हमें लगता था क्या करें, but अभी उन्हें classes में डाल रहे हैं, and they feel proud and say अरे मेरा बच्चा नाचता है, oh my son dances. So I think it's when a film has that kind of an impact, and I think ABCD is probably a film which has run all across the country, especially Maharashtra में बहुत अच्छा किया, which feels good for me because I'm born in Maharashtra. I think that's too far in the future. I can't speak about that right now. Right now, all I can say is that I have Philips Aqua Touch and I have Dilwale next. That's it. Those are my 2 releases this year.
तो दिलवाले के सेट पे शाहरुख और काजोल ने बचाया फिर नहीं बचाया वाला
है कौन उसका बचाने वाला? बस I think जब पहली बार उन्हें देखा तो
I was just staring at them. I think the whole country is going to go through that. It's an amazing feeling. They're one of the most loved couples in our country, and people are going to watch them on screen after so many years. It's amazing to just see them together.
So Varun, apart Dilwale, apart ABCD, tell us something about your venture with Philips first.
Like I said, Philips is a brand that has so much goodwill, not only from now, but from so many years. And it's created this goodwill because of one reason, because their products are of great quality. And since I've been a little kid, I've been hearing about Philips, seeing Philips in my house, different products all around. So actually, when I told my mom, that Philips Aqua Touch has come and all that, the first thing my mother tells me, oh, it's Philips, then it must be good. So I guess that's what brand value and goodwill means. And when I actually got my hands on this product and stuff like that. Earlier, like many of y'all, even मैं भी डर जाता था. I would feel, अरे there are 3 blades over here, cut गया, something would happen. But the first thing I even told them was that I want to actually do this on stage to get rid of that fear, because this is a product which cannot harm you in any way. It in fact protects your skin. It has a rotary blade which protects your skin. So it lifts and cuts. So that means it's not actually hitting your skin also. It's just lifting the hair and cutting it off. And yet you're getting this clean shave, kind of smooth look. So
ऐसी भी reports आई थी कि Brothers was offered to you first, then it went to Siddharth. So please clarify and tell us something about that.
There's no truth to that.
There's no truth.
No truth.
In the family, nobody replaces anybody. We are like a family at this point of time. So everybody.
नहीं मैं जो फिल्म्स कर रहा हूँ मैं आपको बता सकता हूँ. अभी मैं सिर्फ दिलवाले और डिशुम कर रहा हूँ. अभी नहीं not been offered.
वरुण बचपन में कोई एक्सपेरिमेंट किया था शेविंग को लेकर?
बहुत किया था, और बहुत कट्स भी वो होते थे ना. वे बचपन में जब बच्चे पहली बार ट्राई करते हैं, then you end up, and it's very embarrassing क्योंकि स्कूल जाना पड़ता था. And to go with those, and that time though I didn't even want to tell my mom कि मैंने shave किया था, because I was very small, so I had to go with those tissue marks. वो either tissue, and they were all like red dots and all that stuff.
बचपन में किस समय आपने सबसे पहले शेव किया था?
I think चुपके मैंने कुछ 12 साल की उम्र में, I think 12, I think 12, and I know I did it why, क्योंकि मुझे दाढ़ी भी नहीं आती थी, but मेरा एक दोस्त था भाविक करके, उसको भालू बुलाते थे कि उसको बहुत दाढ़ी आती थी, तो वो शेव करके रोज आता था, and he would, मेरा ये रेज मेरा वो, और तो मैंने ट्राई किया, मैंने काट दिया अपने आप को. I said, oh God. और actually, so I'm glad that now at least if kids even try to mess around with this, कि बच्चे कभी रेजर उठा लेते हैं पापा की या भाई की या कुछ भी बड़े भाई की. So if a kid even fools around with this, we know that they can't hurt themselves at least,
But Varun, how do you react on a situation where there are reports been printed which have no truth to it?
I don't react only now, what to do? And luckily I've been traveling so much that I have to realize which time zone I am in. So I was in Bulgaria, then I came down over here, I shot for this. Now I'm going to Morocco. In fact, I'm leaving tomorrow only with John. So there's no time to react, and at the end of the day, when you have a relationship with people, to be very honest, like I see you guys every day. So I mean, if I'm lying, you guys know when I'm lying. And I do lie. It's not like I don't lie. But I'm just saying. So when I'm saying a lie, you all know I'm lying. And when I'm saying the truth, you know I'm saying the truth.